Hi lovelies, you are all warmly welcome back to Viva's kitchen, where so heavily recipes are made. Thanks for returning. I appreciate you all, and I hope you are all doing great. Lovelies, I've missed you all, but all the same, I'm back with another great recipe on how to make a delicious chicken and vegetable stir fry. And I hope you like it. So please stick and stay till the end. Go nowhere and be inspired. And also, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. And as always, your girl will appreciate it. Alright? And if it's your first time here, I hope you'll be inspired to join this amazing family. Kindly do so by subscribing and also clicking on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Alright? Now, family, let's get into the video. Alright? I am starting off by cutting my chicken breast into cubic shape. You can go for any shape and size of your choice. Okay? This time around, I want the chicken to be seen in my stir fry. That is my vegetable stir fry. That is why I'm going for this shape and size. However, you can cut them into smaller sizes. That is why I said it's by choice and preference, okay? You don't need to cut them into the same shape and size as mine, okay? So we are all done. Next, I'm adding my ginger powder, garlic powder, onion powder, chicken seasoning. Next is my dried mixed herbs. Next, dried oregano. Beautiful. I love my herbs. Next, Chinese five spice. Yeah. Next, dried coriander leaves. Next, my basil, dry basil. And next, I'm adding my oyster sauce. Yeah. And next, I'm adding black, white, and red peppercorns. Yeah, so beautiful. Next, lovelies, let's go ahead and add cooking wine, just about a teaspoonful. And next is my hot Maggi dark soy sauce. I love that. And next, honey. We are throwing a lot of amazing flavors on these chicken breasts that they will become so irresistible in the end. Next, I'm adding my melted butter. Next is our cornstarch, about 2 tablespoonfuls. Next is a pinch of salt to taste. And now I'm going ahead to grate some lime zest on the chicken breast, which is totally optional, but you will love it whenever you try this recipe out, okay? And next, I'm adding some of the juice of the lime as well. Again, it's totally optional, but you will love it when you try this recipe out, okay? So now let's mix everything together until well combined. Mix them so well, just like so. Beautiful flavor, you will love it. We still need some salt, so let's go ahead and add some, and also some chili pepper and cayenne pepper for heat and for color, okay? And finally, I'm adding sesame oil for its flavor and also to create some glossiness on the chicken. I love to use sesame oil whenever I'm making my vegetable and chicken stir fry. I just love the flavor of it in my stir fries. It's that simple. And when you try this out, you love it too. Okay? However, you can use any oil of your choice. Alright? Now let's cover our chicken breast up with our cling film and allow them to marinate for about 3 hours in the fridge. Okay? Next, I'm going to cut the wrap open and transfer all the vegetables in there into a bowl. And I've got broccoli, cauliflower, I've got carrots, green peas in there, and they are rich in vitamin C. Yeah, I love that. I'm going to transfer them into a bowl as I've just mentioned, and just like so, I'll just add warm water to defrost them. And whilst they are defrosting, let's go ahead and cut our fresh vegetables. And I've got scallions, red onion, and my bell peppers. You can use any other vegetables of your choice, okay? Lovely, so far, if you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to like, share, and leave your comment in a professional way, okay? Yeah. So I'm transferring all of them into the bowl, set them aside, and go ahead and cut the rest of the vegetables. So next, I'm cutting my onions. I want the onions to be seen in the stir fry, so I'm cutting them a little bit bigger, just like so, and I'll just separate the layers from each other like I'm doing. All is done now, so I'm going ahead to add them to the scallions. Yeah, just like so. Lovelies. Go nowhere, stay tuned to the end and be inspired. So now we are on our bell peppers. I'm cutting them into medium sizes, just like so. Well, we are all done. And I'm cutting the last bit of the red onion also into the same size as the first one. All is done now, so I'm transferring everything into a bowl, just like so. Next, I'm going ahead to add our mixed vegetables, which have been thawed nicely and are looking all good. Now to our vegetables, I'm going ahead to add all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, and I'll mix everything together nicely by stirring until they are all well combined. Lovelies, when our vegetables are seasoned like this, they always take our stir fries to the next level. So let's take note of that, okay? So let's go ahead and cover them up and allow them to marinate for about 30 minutes before we use them, okay? So please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video if so far you are enjoying the recipe. Next, in a bowl, add 2 tablespoonfuls of cornstarch, add filtered water, mix them together nicely until well combined. Next, add dark soy sauce. You can use the hot or mild one, but mine is hot. Again, mix everything together until well combined. This is a simple slurry for our chicken and vegetable stir fry. Now it's all good, so let's set it aside and bring our marinated chicken breast. Beautiful. Wow. The flavor is so amazing. Straight away, let's fry them. Okay? And I'm frying them in batches because the frying pan is not that big to contain all at a time. Okay? And look at that. This is so beautiful. I love the color and I love the flavor. So all the herbs and natural seasonings that we threw on the chicken breast are indeed making waves here in my kitchen. You need to be here. The aroma is so good and it's a must try recipe. You'll love it. Wow. Don't just watch the video, lovelies. Just give this a try and thank me later. You can as well use your own seasonings and you'll be good to go. Alright? Please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. Also, don't forget to recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. Alright? So our next batch is in. As I said, I'll do this until I'm done with all of the chicken breasts. Okay, so very soon we'll be done frying our chicken breasts and we will proceed with our next step. So lovelies, go nowhere. Stay tuned and be inspired. You will love this recipe. It's indeed better than takeout. I bet you. So next, in a new saucepan, I'm adding the oil that we use to fry our chicken breast and a little bit of fresh oil. I'll mix everything together and once it's heated, I'll add my ginger and garlic paste just like so. I'll again mix everything together just like so for them to release their aromas together for about 3 minutes. Ooh, I love the aroma. 3 minutes later, I'm adding my dry bay leaf and curry leaves. They are totally optional. You don't need to add them, or you can use any other seasoning of your choice. Yeah? Okay, so next I'm going ahead to add my scallions and red onions, just like so. And next, I'm adding my Badia complete seasonings. I love it so much because anything helps I'm in. And I love the flavor that it adds to my dishes. Yeah, so go ahead and let them fry for about 3 minutes to release their aromas and then add the rest of the vegetables just like so. This is amazing. Next, I'm adding my shrimp tablet. It's also optional. And finally, a little bit of my chicken seasoning, about half a teaspoonful. So lovely, since I do not want my vegetables to be soft but rather crunchy, 3 minutes later, I'm going ahead to add my fried chicken, and then I'll start to mix everything together nicely. And finally, I'll give them 3 minutes more to release their aromas together. Okay? So I love everything about this vegetable and chicken stir fry. But before I turn off the heat, I'll then go ahead and add our celery, just like so. And as usual, I'll continue to stir to mix everything nicely and gently until the celery is thickened up and almost lost in the chicken and vegetable stir fry. Okay, so let's wait and see. Until then, our stir fry is still not ready. Lovelies, to support your girl, and so far, if you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to like, share, and comment professionally. Okay, so now can you see our celery is thickened up and is almost lost in our vegetable and chicken stir fry, which means that it's ready and can be served. I love this. I love it. It's a must try recipe. Don't just watch the video, lovelies. Just give it a try and thank me later. Alright? Don't forget to recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. If it's your first time here, I hope you have been inspired enough to join this amazing family. So kindly do me a favor by subscribing and also click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Yeah? And I paired my chicken and vegetable stir fry with my rice, cooked with a pinch of turmeric powder. You love this recipe. It goes with yam, it goes with fried rice, it goes with jollof rice, it goes with plain rice. Yeah, you'll love it. This video is step by step and a little bit detailed on how I make my simple yet super delicious vegetable and chicken stir fry, which is better than takeout. And I hope you like it. And you've been inspired as well. And lovelies, what I'm adding right now is my green chili sauce, which is already playing on my channel. You will love the recipe. So please check it out and mix some as well. They were made with amazing herbs and natural seasonings. For more of my videos, lovelies, follow your girl on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thank you all for watching to this point, and I appreciate you all. To all my subscribers and my followers, God richly bless you for holding your girl down. I appreciate all the love and support. I am really, really grateful. Mwah, kiss. Bye, all.
Hello, lovelies. Can you subscribe to my mom's channel and help her get to 20K subscribers? Thank you.